All right, so in this video, what I want to do is I want to create a new funnel, and I want to use two different pages from two different funnels. So I'm going to show you how easy that is to do using templates and things like that. So what I'd like to do is take an opt-in page from this challenge funnel that I have, and also a VSL page from this full stack PDF download VSL1 funnel. So first of all, we got to create a new funnel. So we're going to hit the create a new funnel button, and I'm going to name this full stack space opt-in to VSL. All right, so we create funnel. Now within this funnel, we want two new pages. So I want to add a new page to the funnel, and the first page is going to be opt-in, because I'm going to have a very simple box for the opt-in. And then I'm going to add another page that has the VSL. And in this situation, it goes to the webinar registration, which is an affiliate link. So, this is just what I'm doing currently. So I got my two pages. Now what I want to do is I want to take the two pages that I want and create templates out of them. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here, and I'm going to edit this page. And here's where my VSL is. Now I'm already going to give away the opt-in. The opt-in has the freelance marketing secrets book there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on this button here to toggle the main menu, and I'm going to say save template. Now I'm going to save template as VSL full stack dash VSL PDF. So we'll finish. Let's see here. So we'll hit enter there. So now that's saved. I can hit done up here. Publish. Doesn't really matter. I can publish. I didn't really make any changes, so that didn't matter. Now I want to go back into my dashboard. Now I'm going to click on funnels again. And here I want to use the opt-in box or page from this opt-in. So I'm going to edit this. Here's the little opt-in box that I want. Now I'm going to change the wording around, obviously, but what I can do is I can do the same exact thing. Save template. And I'm going to say red box opt-in. Okay, so now those two templates are saved. I can discard all my changes in that one. So now I want to go back into my dashboard again. I want to edit those two pages that I just put in the funnel, two funnel steps. Okay, so full stack opt-in to VSL. So this is the one I'm working with. So now I can edit. And then I can go to templates. And here on the drop down, instead of landing pages, I'm going to say saved templates. And you'll see right down here is my red box option, opt-in. So there's my red box opt-in. I'm going to save that for now. I'm going to go back into my dashboard. I just want to get my pages all set up before I start mangling them. And we're going to open that up. We're going to edit this next step. We're going to go into templates. We're going to go to save templates. And we're going to go to full stack VSL PDF. And there's my templated. Now I can make any changes here, and they're not going to affect anything on the other page. So it's a beautiful thing. I can save templates as global. I can save rows as global. I can save modules as global. So you can easily drop in various modules or rows that cover your whole entire site, which is beautiful. So that's it. Now from here, I can go ahead and go into my dashboard, go into funnels, and I can start editing my opt-in page in order to make it correct. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check the button in order to make sure that it's to the next funnel step, and it is. So from there, all I have to do is change my wording, things like that, and obviously I got to take out some stuff on the next page, but that's exactly how to take two different pages, duplicate pages across funnels. So there you go. I hope you enjoy, and please subscribe and all that good stuff, because it helps.